My name is Hernandez Miguel. I'm from the city of São José dos Campos in the interior of the state of Sao Paulo. I first came to China in 2019 as an exchange student of Chinese, and after that I applied for an opportunity as a teacher of Portuguese here at Houbé University. And since then I'm here working as a Portuguese teacher. I also teach Brazilian culture and Portuguese-speaking countries' culture and literature. I studied a lot about China before coming, but I was still amazed after I come. I fell in love with Wuhan. Wuhan for me is my Chinese hometown. When I have some time, I like to go out and play around with my friends. So I like going to the parks like Shahu, Tonghu. And I'm still discovering China today, so I still want to keep learning Chinese, studying this language that I think is so fascinating. When we study the characters, we discover so many things. All the time I learn a new expression. I can understand better how Chinese philosophy, how Chinese people think, and how this culture works. I really like teaching Portuguese in China. It's really important that Brazilian people understand more Chinese culture, Chinese people, and Chinese people also understand more about Brazil. And teaching Portuguese and Brazilian culture in China, I'm working as a bridge between these two cultures, and that's something that I wanted. In the near future, I still want to be here teaching Portuguese to Chinese students, interacting with them, and promoting this culture dialogue. 我爱武汉，我爱中国。